This is Shakiba Foster, the 2017 recipient of one of the most prestigious scholarships in the world, the Rhodes Scholarship.
It's an awesome feeling, overwhelming at times.
After hours of grueling interviews, Shakiba came out on top of a field of 10 outstanding candidates to be awarded the scholarship.
Really outstanding young people, any one of whom could have been the Rhodes Scholar, and we finally chose Shakiba Foster. The fact that she is clearly very intelligent and very thoughtful. She had many thoughts about education in Jamaica, about its economic problems, the IMF program, the way forward.
The Rhodes Scholarship is tenable at the Oxford University in the United Kingdom, the oldest English-speaking university in the world, and ranked second in the 2015-2016 World University Rankings. This year, Shakiba will join 94 other students from around the world who have been awarded the scholarship to pursue studies at Oxford.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to be going off to Oxford, having that awesome opportunity to be doing more economics and MPhil in economics at Oxford.
For every year since 1904, except during the Second World War, an outstanding Jamaican has been selected to be Rhodes Scholar. Shakiba is the second graduate of St. Jago High School to join the ranks, and she remains thankful to all those who helped her excel.
My family has been a great help. I remember studying at nights and my aunts, tired but staying up with me to ensure that we got to bed together. My mother, my aunts, my friends, teachers have definitely been a great help, and so I have to say thanks to them.
To be named Rhodes Scholar, Shakiba, like her predecessors, had to display outstanding intellect, character, leadership, and commitment to service.
Other persons, when they hear Rhodes Scholars, they think, wow, bright person. But to tell you the truth, at St. Jago, I really didn't dominate in terms of academics. I had a few persons who really outdid me, did far better than I did. I pushed and I did well enough. When I got to UWI, was difficult in terms of a new environment. But I got through. As anybody else, I've had difficulties in terms of financing, in terms of family issues and so on. But I've always tried not to focus too much on the issues and just do what I need to do. Hard work and time management.
At the end of it all, Shakiba's disciplined approach paid off.
I finished my banking and finance program with the highest GPA. I actually finished my degree with the highest GPA in the entire Faculty of Social Sciences.
On completion of her BSc degree in Banking and Finance, Shakiba went on to do a Master of Science degree at the University of the West Indies, which she completed with distinction. The 2017 Rhodes Scholar is now an assistant lecturer in the Faculty of Social Sciences, a position she enjoys immensely. Despite her hectic university schedule, Shakiba has always found time to take on leadership responsibilities in her Riversdale community in St. Catherine.
Once you start doing things from early, you realize that at the end of the day you have a lot of time for other stuff. Church activities take up most of my other time.
And what are her future plans?
I'm going off to do an MPhil in economics. If I do well enough at that MPhil, I hope to go on to a DPhil in economics, which is a PhD in economics, really. After that, I want to do some more teaching. I hope to do a little bit more lecturing. And I'm just seeing where the tides take me after that. I don't have a definite plan, and I feel it's all right not to have a definite plan. It's all right to let your experiences lead you into new opportunities.
For youngsters aspiring to excel academically, the 2017 Rhodes Scholar has these words of advice.
You're not always going to be ahead, but that does not always mean you're not going to achieve anything. Some people will have it difficult, some people have it easy, and sometimes we tend to want to have it easy like everybody else. But I've learned that difficult times normally make better persons. And so go through difficult times and just work hard, and I'm sure you'll achieve much.
If you're an aspiring Rhodes Scholar, application for the scholarship is usually open between early July and early October every year. Application forms can be downloaded from the Rhodes Trust website at www.rhodes-caribbean.com.